In the previous video we saw the use of Paravartriya Yojayat in dividing numbers. Now let's see how we can use this sutra in algebra. So we can divide two algebraic equations using Paravartriya Yojayat. Let's take an example. 6x square plus 5x plus 4 to be divided by x minus 1. Again, remember, this works similar to the previous methods, and we'll get the answer here also in terms of quotient and remainder. What happens here, since x minus 1 is a multiplier, we write this as x minus 1, and similar to the previous video, we'll transpose it. So we'll ignore the first digit, and this minus 1 will become x. Sorry, this minus 1 will become 1. Now we'll write 6x square plus 5x plus 4. This 4 here is written a bit further from the other numbers or the other coefficients. Why? Because this is x minus 1. So there are two coefficients. So the answer here will be in 1. Now the process is very similar. This 6 will come down as it is. We'll multiply this 6 with 1, so this becomes 6 here. We'll add these two, this will become 11. Now we'll multiply this 11 with 1 here, so this will become 11. So this becomes 14. Now what is important is that since a second degree equation which is having x square is divided by a first degree equation x, so the quotient will be again a single degree equation. That is, here this will be 6x plus this will be 11 and this will be 15. So the answer is quotient is equals to 6x plus 11 and remainder is equals to 15. Let's just run through it once again. We have taken the divisor, which is x minus 1, we have transposed it to get 1. Now we have written the dividend 6x square plus 5x plus 4. 4 is separated here because there will be only one term in the quotient, sorry, in the remainder, because the divisor is having two terms. Now we'll write this 6 as it is here. We'll multiply this 6 with 1. We'll write 6 here. We'll add these two. We'll write 11 here. Now we'll take this 11 and multiply with 1. So this will become 11. We'll add these two, so this will become 15. So since the dividend is having x square and the divisor is having x, the quotient will also be in terms of x and not x square. So we write x here and 11 here and 15 here. So our answer becomes quotient is equals to 6x plus 11 and remainder is equals to 15. Let's take a few more examples. Let's divide x cube minus 3x square plus 10x minus 4 by x minus 5. So let's transpose x minus 5 first. So this becomes 5. Now we'll write the dividend 3x square plus 10x and minus 4. The coefficient here in x cube is 1, so this will come down as it is as 1. 1 into 5 is 5, so this becomes 2. 2 into 5 is 10. Add this 2, this becomes 20. 20 into 5 is 100, so this becomes 96. Now since the dividend is in x to the power 3 and the divisor is x, the answer, that is the quotient, will be in x square. So this becomes 1x square plus 2x plus 20 as quotient and 96 as remainder. So quotient is equals to x square plus 2x plus 20 and remainder is equals to 96. Let's take one more example. Now we'll divide 2x raised to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x plus 2 by x square plus 1. So we'll write x square plus 0 into x plus 1 here. Notice that in the divisor, which is x square plus 1, it is a quadratic equation, so we also need a term of x, so we have written 0x. Now transposing it will give us 0 and minus 1. Now we'll write the dividend here, which becomes 2x raised to the power 4 minus 3x cube plus or minus whatever 0x square minus 3x plus 2. Here, since this is a quadratic equation, the answer will be, the remainder will be in the last two terms, and we have added 0x square here. Why? Because we should have all the coefficients, that is, we should have x to the power 4, x cube, x square, x and the constant term in the equation. Now let's solve. This 2 will come down as it is here. Now we'll multiply this 2 with 0 and minus 1, so this becomes 0 and 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, so this here is minus 3. Now we'll multiply minus 3 with 0 and minus 1, so this will be 0. Minus 3 into minus 1 is 3. Add this becomes minus 2. Now we'll multiply this minus 3 again with 0 and minus 1, so minus 2 into 0 is 0, minus 2 into minus 1 is 2. So adding this becomes 0 and this becomes 4. So since equation with x to the power 4 is divided by an equation with x square, the answer, that is the quotient, will be in x square. So this is x square, this will be x, this will be constant, and again here this will be x and this will be constant. So the quotient becomes 2x square minus 3x minus 2, and the remainder becomes 4 since all the other coefficients are 0.